بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
طاسين تلك آيات القرآن وكتاب مبين.
These are the verses of the Quran and the luminous book,
هدى وبشرى للمؤمنين
guidance and glad tidings for the believers.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Those who keep salah established and pay zakah and are certain of the hereafter.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة زينا لهم أعمالهم فهم يعمهون.
Those who do not believe in the hereafter, we have made their bad deeds seem good to them. They are hence wandering.
أولئك الذين لهم سوء العذاب وهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
It is they for whom is a horrible punishment. It is them who will be the worst losers in the hereafter.
وإنك لتلقى القرآن من لدن حكيم عليم.
And O beloved, you are indeed taught the Quran from the most wise, all-knowing.
إذ قال موسى لأهله إني آنست نارا سآتيكم منها بخبر أو آتيكم بشهاب قبس لعلكم تصطلون.
Remember, when Musa said to his wife, I have sighted a fire, I will soon bring some news about it to you, or bring a live spark from it for you, so that you may warm yourselves.
فلما جاءها نودي أن بورك من في النار ومن حولها وسبحان الله رب العالمين.
So when he reached it, it was proclaimed, Blessed is he who is in the location of the place of manifestation of that fire, meaning Musa and those who are in its surroundings, meaning the angels, and purity is to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
يا موسى إنه أنا الله العزيز الحكيم.
O Musa, the matter is this, that I am Allah, the dignified, the all-wise.
وألق عصاك فلما رآها تهتز كأنها جان ولا مدبرا ولم يعقب. يا موسى لا تخف إني لا يخاف لدي المرسلون.
And put down your staff. So when he saw it wriggling as if it was a snake, he walked away, turning his back, and did not look behind. We said, O Musa, do not fear. Indeed, the messengers do not have fear in my majestic court.
إلا من ظلم ثم بدل حسنا بعد سوء فإني غفور رحيم.
Yes, the one who does injustice, then afterwards changes evil for good. So I am indeed most forgiving, ever merciful.
وأدخل يدك في جيبك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء في 9 آيات إلى فرعون وقومه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And put your hand inside the collar of your garment. It will come out luminously white, not due to any illness. This is a sign amongst the 9 signs towards Fir'aun and his people. They are indeed disobedient people.
فلما جاءتهم آياتنا مبصرة قالوا هذا سحر مبين.
Then when our eye-opening signs came to them, they said, "This is clear magic."
وجحدوا بها واستيقنتها أنفسهم ظلما وعلوا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المفسدين.
And they denied them due to injustice and arrogance, whereas in their hearts they were certain of them. Hence, see how the end of the mischief mongers was.
ولقد آتينا داود وسليمان علما وقال الحمد لله الذي فضلنا على كثير من عباده المؤمنين.
And we indeed bestowed great knowledge to Dawood and Suleiman, and they both said, "All praise is due to Allah, who has granted us superiority over many of his believing bondsmen."
وورث سليمان داود وقال يا أيها الناس علمنا منطق الطير وأوتينا من كل شيء إن هذا لهو الفضل المبين.
And Suleiman became Dawood's successor, and he said, "O people, we have been taught the language of birds and have been given from all things. Indeed, this is an evident favor of Allah."
وحشر لسليمان جنوده من الجن والإنس والطير فهم يوزعون.
And assembled together for Suleiman were his armies of jinn and men and of birds. Hence, they used to be held back.
حتى إذا أتوا على واد النمل قالت نملة يا أيها النمل ادخلوا مساكنكم لا يحطمنكم سليمان وجنوده وهم لا يشعرون.
Until when they came to the valley of the ants, an ant proclaimed, "O ants, enter your homes. Suleiman and his armies may not crush you unknowingly."
فتبسم ضاحكا من قولها وقال رب أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأدخلني برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين.
He, Suleiman, therefore smilingly laughed at her speech and submitted, "O my Lord, enable me that I thank you for the favor which you have bestowed upon me and my parents, and so that I may perform such a good deed which pleases you, and by your mercy include me amongst your bondsmen who are worthy of your special proximity."
وتفقد الطير فقال ما لي لا أرى الهدهد أم كان من الغائبين.
And he surveyed the birds. He said that, "What is the matter that I do not see the hudhud, Hupu, or is he really absent?"
لأعذبنه عذابا شديدا أو لأذبحنه أو ليأتيني بسلطان مبين.
I will definitely punish him severely, or will slaughter him, or he must bring to me some clear proof.
فمكث غير بعيد فقال أحطت بما لم تحط به وجئتك من سبأ بنبأ يقين.
So the hudhud did not stay away for long and submitted upon his arrival. I have seen that which your majesty has not seen, and I have brought sure news to your respected court from the city of Saba, Sheba.
إني وجدت امرأة تملكهم وأوتيت من كل شيء ولها عرش عظيم.
I have seen a woman who rules over them, and she has been given from everything, and she has a mighty throne.
وجدتها وقومها يسجدون للشمس من دون الله وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل فهم لا يهتدون.
I found her and her nation prostrating to the sun instead of Allah, and the devil has made their deeds seem good to them, preventing them from the straight path. They do not hence find the right path.
ألا يسجدوا لله الذي يخرج الخبأ في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تخفون وما تعلنون.
Why do they not prostrate to Allah, who brings forth the hidden things of the heavens and the earth, and knows whatever you hide and whatever you disclose?
الله لا إله إلا هو رب العرش العظيم.
Allah is worthy of worship. No one is worthy of worship except Him. He is the owner of the great throne.
قال سننظر أصدقت أم كنت من الكاذبين.
Said Sulaiman, we shall now see whether you spoke the truth or whether you are amongst the liars.
اذهب بكتابي هذا فألقه إليهم ثم تول عنهم فانظر ماذا يرجعون.
Go with this order of mine and drop it upon them, then move aside from them and see how they respond.
قالت يا أيها الملأ إني ألقي إلي كتاب كريم.
The woman said, O chiefs, a noble letter has indeed been dropped upon me.
إنه من سليمان وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Undoubtedly, it is from Sulaiman, and it indeed commences with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألا تعلوا علي وأتوني مسلمين.
That exalt not yourselves against me, and present yourselves in my respected court in submission.
قالت يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في أمري ما كنت قاطعة أمرا حتى تشهدون.
She said, O chiefs, give me your opinion in this matter of mine. I do not take the final decision until you are present here with me.
قالوا نحن أولو قوة وأولو بأس شديد والأمر إليك فانظري ماذا تأمرين.
They said, we possess great strength and are great warriors, and the decision is yours, so think over what you will command.
قالت إن الملوك إذا دخلوا قرية أفسدوها وجعلوا أعزة أهلها أذلة وكذلك يفعلون.
She said, indeed, the kings, when they enter a town, they destroy it and disgrace its honorable people, and this is how they do.
وإني مرسلة إليهم بهدية فناظرة بما يرجع المرسلون.
And I am going to send a gift to them, then see what reply the envoys return with.
فلما جاء سليمان قال أتمدونني بمال فما آتاني الله فما آتاني الله خير مما آتاكم بل أنتم بهديتكم تفرحون.
Thus, when the envoy came to Suleiman, said Suleiman, "Do you help me with wealth? So what Allah has bestowed upon me is better than what He has given you. Rather, it is you who rejoice at your worldly gift."
ارجع إليهم فلنأتينهم بجنود لا قبل لهم بها ولنخرجنهم منها أذلة وهم صاغرون.
Return to them, so we shall definitely bring upon them such an army that they will have no power to challenge, and we shall certainly drive them out from that city in disgrace. They will be utterly humiliated in this way.
قال يا أيها الملأ أيكم يأتيني بعرشها قبل أن يأتوني مسلمين.
Said Suleiman, "O members of my chamber, which one of you can bring me her throne before this, that they come in my respected court submitting?"
قال عفريت من الجن أنا آتيك به قبل أن تقوم من مقامك وإني عليه لقوي أمين.
An extremely evil jinn said, "I will present that throne in your respected court before this, that your highness terminates this assembly, and I am indeed powerful and trustworthy upon it."
قال الذي عنده علم من الكتاب أنا آتيك به قبل أن يرتد إليك طرفك فلما رآه مستقرا عنده قال هذا من فضل ربي ليبلوني أأشكر أم أكفر ومن شكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن ربي غني كريم.
He who had knowledge of the book submitted that I will present it in your majesty's court before the blink of an eye. When he then saw it placed next to him, Suleiman said, "This is from the favors of my Lord, so that he may test me whether I give thanks or I am ungrateful. And whosoever gives thanks, so he only gives thanks for his own good. And whoever is ungrateful, so my Lord is ever independent, possessor of all excellences."
قال نكروا لها عرشها ننظر أتهتدي أم تكون من الذين لا يهتدون.
Suleiman commanded, "Change the appearance of the throne of the women, making it look unfamiliar to her, so that we may gauge whether she recognizes it or becomes of those who remain unaware."
فلما جاءت قيل أهكذا عرشك قالت كأنه هو وأوتينا العلم من قبلها وكنا مسلمين.
Then when she came, it was said to her, "Is your throne like this?" She said, "It seems to be the same, and we have become aware of this, i.e., of your prophethood before this incident, and we submit to you."
وصدها ما كانت تعبد من دون الله إنها كانت من قوم كافرين.
And the thing she used to worship other than Allah prevented her. She was indeed from the disbelieving people.
قيل لها ادخلي الصرح فلما رأته حسبته لجة وكشفت عن ساقيها قال إنه صرح ومروة من قوارير قالت رب إني ظلمت نفسي وأسلمت مع سليمان لله رب العالمين.
It was said to her, enter the courtyard. Then, when she saw it, she thought it was a pool of deep water and uncovered her shins. Said Sulaiman, this is only a smooth courtyard paved with glass. She said, O my Lord, I have indeed wronged myself, and I now submit myself along with Sulaiman to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
ولقد أرسلنا إلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا أن اعبدوا الله فإذا هم فريقان يختصمون.
And we indeed sent to Thamud their compatriot Salih that worship Allah. Thereupon they became two groups fighting with each other.
قال يا قوم لم تستعجلون بالسيئة قبل الحسنة لولا تستغفرون الله لعلكم ترحمون.
Salih said, O my people, why do you hasten towards evil before good? Why do you not seek forgiveness from Allah? Perhaps you may be bestowed with mercy.
قالوا اطيرنا بك وبمن معك قال طائركم عند الله بل أنتم قوم تفتنون.
They said, we forecast an ill omen from you and from your companions. He, Salih, said, your ill omen is by Allah. Rather, you people are under trial.
وكان في المدينة 9 رهط يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون.
And there were 9 people in the city who would cause turmoil in the land and would not wish to reform.
قالوا تقاسموا بالله لنبيتنه وأهله ثم لنقولن لوليه ما شهدنا مهلك أهله وإنا لصادقون.
Swearing an oath by Allah, they said amongst themselves, we will definitely attack him and his family secretly at night and then say to his heir, we were not present at the time of the slaying of this household, and indeed we are truthful.
ومكروا مكرا ومكرنا مكرا وهم لا يشعرون.
And they devised their scheme, and we devised our secret plan, and they remained unaware.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة مكرهم أنا دمرناهم وقومهم أجمعين.
Therefore see what was the outcome of their scheming. We destroyed them and their entire nation.
فتلك بيوتهم خاوية بما ظلموا إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يعلمون.
So these are their houses fallen flat in ruin, the recompense of their injustice. Indeed, in this is a sign for people who know.
وأنجينا الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
And we rescued those who believed and were afraid.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه أتأتون الفاحشة وأنتم تبصرون.
And remember Lut when he said to his people, do you come towards indecency whilst you are seeing?
أئنكم لتأتون الرجال شهوة من دون النساء بل أنتم قوم تجهلون.
Do you lustfully go towards men leaving women? Rather, you are ignorant people.
فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا أخرجوا آل لوط من قريتكم إنهم أناس يتطهرون.
Therefore, the answer of his people was nothing except that they said, "Banish the family of Lut from your town. These people desire purity."
فأنجيناه وأهله إلا امرأته قدرناها من الغابرين.
We henceforth rescued him and his family except his wife. We had decreed that she is amongst those who remain behind.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فساء مطر المنذرين.
And we showered a rain upon them. So what a terrible rain for those who were warned.
قل الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى الله خير أما يشركون.
Say you, O beloved, all praise is due to Allah and peace upon His chosen bondsmen. Is Allah better, or what they ascribe as His partners?
أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَأَنزَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حَدَائِقَ ذَاتَ بَهْجَةٍ ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون.
Or He who created the heavens and the earth and sent down for you water from the sky. So we grew delightful gardens with it. You had no ability to grow its trees. Is there an other God along with Allah? Rather, they are those who deviate from the right path.
أَمَّنْ جَعَلَ الْأَرْضَ قَرَارًا وَجَعَلَ خِلَالَهَا أَنْهَارًا وَجَعَلَ لَهَا رَوَاسِيَ وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ حَاجِزًا أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Or He who made the earth a place for dwelling and caused streams in its midst, and created mountains as anchors therefore, and kept a barrier between the two seas. Is there another God along with Allah? Rather, most of them, i.e., people, are ignorant.
أَمَّن يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قَلِيلًا مَّا تَذَكَّرُونَ.
Or He who answers the supplication of the helpless when he invokes Him and removes evil and makes you heirs of the earth. Is there an other God along with Allah? Very little do you reflect.
أَمَّن يَهْدِيكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَن يُرْسِلُ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى اللَّهُ عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ.
Or He who shows you the path in the darknesses of the land and the sea, and He who sends the winds before His mercy, i.e., rainfall, giving glad tidings. Is there an other God along with Allah? Exalted is Allah from what they associate with Him.
أَمَّن يَبْدَأُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ وَمَن يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
or He who originated creation, then will recreate it, and He who provides you with sustenance from the heavens and the earth. Is there another God along with Allah? Proclaim, O beloved, bring your proof if you are truthful.
قل لا يعلم من في السماوات والأرض الغيب إلا الله وما يشعرون أيان يبعثون.
Say you, O beloved, no one in the heavens and the earth knows the unseen on their own accord except Allah, and they do not know when they will be raised.
بل ادارك علمهم في الآخرة بل هم في شك منها عمون.
Has the matter of their knowledge reached to the stage of knowing the hereafter? Not at all. They are in doubt concerning it. Rather, they are blind concerning it.
وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أإنا لمخرجون.
And the disbelievers said, will we, when we and our forefathers have turned to dust, be brought forth again?
لقد وعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
Indeed, we were given that promise of resurrection, and before us to our forefathers, this is nothing but stories of the people of the past.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
Say you, O beloved, travel the earth, see what was the end of the culprits.
ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون.
And do not grieve over them, nor be disheartened because of their plotting.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise be fulfilled if you are truthful?
قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون.
Say you, O beloved, it is near that a part of that punishment which you are hastening for is close behind you.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَذُو فَضْلٍ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
Indeed, your Lord is most bountiful upon people, but most people acknowledge not.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَيَعْلَمُ مَا تُكِنُّ صُدُورُهُمْ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
And your Lord indeed knows what is hidden in their chests and what they disclose.
وَمَا مِنْ غَائِبَةٍ فِي السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ.
And all the hidden secrets of the heavens and the earth are written in a clear book, i.e., the preserved tablet.
إِنَّ هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ يَقُصُّ عَلَى بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ أَكْثَرَ الَّذِي هُمْ فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ.
Indeed, this Quran narrates to the children of Israel most of the matters in which they differ.
وَإِنَّهُ لَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Indeed, that, i.e., the Quran, is guidance and mercy for the Muslims.
إِنَّ رَبَّكَ يَقْضِي بَيْنَهُم بِحُكْمِهِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْعَلِيمُ.
Indeed, your Lord judges between them with His command, and only He is the dignified, the all-knowing.
فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّكَ عَلَى الْحَقِّ الْمُبِينِ.
Therefore rely upon Allah, you are indeed upon the clear truth.
إِنَّكَ لَا تُسْمِعُ الْمَوْتَى وَلَا تُسْمِعُ الصُّمَّ الدُّعَاءَ إِذَا وَلَّوْا مُدْبِرِينَ.
The dead, i.e., the disbelievers, do not hear your call, nor do the deaf hear your call when they turn away showing their backs.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
And you are not to guide the blind, i.e., the disbelievers from their error. Only those will listen to you who believe in our verses, and they are Muslims.
وإذا وقع القول عليهم أخرجنا لهم دابة من الأرض تكلمهم أن الناس كانوا بآياتنا لا يوقنون.
And when the word, i.e., the promise of punishment will fall upon them, we shall bring forth for them a creature from the earth that will speak to the people, because the people did not use to believe in our verses.
ويوم نحشر من كل أمة فوجا ممن يكذب بآياتنا فهم يوزعون.
And remember the day when we will raise from every nation a group who deny our verses. The former groups will henceforth be held back for the latter to join them.
حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون.
Until when all of them will be present, Allah will say, did you belie my verses, whereas your knowledge had not encompassed it? Or what work did you use to do?
ووقع القول عليهم بما ظلموا فهم لا ينطقون.
And the word, i.e., the promise of punishment, has occurred upon them due to their transgression. Hence they do not say anything now.
ألم يروا أنا جعلنا الليل ليسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not see that we created the night for them to rest therein, and created the day, the one that makes things visible? Indeed, in this are definitely signs for the people who believe.
ويوم ينفخ في الصور ففزع من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله وكل أتوه داخرين.
And the day when the trumpet will be blown, so all those who are in the heavens and all those who are in the earth will be terrified, except whomsoever Allah wills. And everyone has come to his majestic court in humility.
وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون.
And you will see the mountains, you will think that they are fixed, whereas they will be moving like the moving of the clouds. This is the work of Allah, the one who created all things with wisdom. Indeed, He knows your deeds.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها وهم من فزع يومئذ آمنون.
Whosoever brings a good deed, for him is a reward better than it, and they will be safe from the anxiety of that day.
ومن جاء بالسيئة فكبت وجوههم في النار هل تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And whoever brings evil, their faces will hence be overturned into the fire. O people, what reward will you get, except only of that which you used to do?
إنما أمرت أن أعبد رب هذه البلدة الذي حرمها وله كل شيء وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
i.e., the Prophet Muhammad have been commanded to worship the Lord of the city, Makkah, who has made it sacred, and everything belongs to him, and I have been commanded to be amongst the obedient.
وأن أتلو القرآن فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه وما ضل فقل إنما أنا من المنذرين.
And that I recite the Quran, so this, that whosoever attained the right path, he has attained it for his own good, and whoever goes astray, he harms himself. So declare that I am only a warner.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And proclaim, all praise is due to Allah. He will soon show you His signs. You will therefore recognize them. And O beloved, your Lord is not unaware, O people, regarding your doings.
صدق الله العظيم.